Hello, so we have 2 cosecant squared x equals 3 cotangent x plus 1. So first, what we want to do is we have a squared here, cosecant squared. We have a cotangent squared. So what I want to do is I want to make everything cotangent. So we're going to use this reciprocal identity here. So we're going to just replace cosecant squared x with 1 plus cotangent squared x. This is in the data booklet. Okay, so now we can distribute the two. Alright, now we're going to move everything to one side so it can equal 0. We're trying to set up a zero product rule right now. So what we can do is we still have 2 cotangent squared x minus 3 cotangent x. Then we have minus 1. Yes, okay. Sorry, not minus 1. Plus 1. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to factorize this. So let's just say that we'll say A is equal to cotangent x. Okay, so it looked like this: 2a squared minus 3a plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so it's going to look like this: 2 brackets equals 0. We know that the constants, they multiply to 1, so we can do plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and now we have to find the numbers, and I believe since it's minus 3, this would be minus 2a, this would be minus a. So minus 2a minus a, they make minus 2a squared, and then these two multiplied by 1, they sum up to minus 3a. Okay, so we know this would just become, that would become minus 2 cotangent x plus 1 and minus cotangent x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so now let's solve for this. Yep. Okay, so now we have that. So therefore, minus 2 cotangent x plus 1 equals 0, or minus cotangent x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so let's start with this one. We can subtract 1 on both sides. We can divide by minus 2 on both sides. Minus 1 over minus 2, that's equal to a half. Okay, now we can represent this as 10, so 1 over 10 x is equal to a half. Okay, now we can cross multiply, so 10x is equal to 2. Okay, so the question is asking us to represent it as x equals arctan where a is an integer. So all we have to do is just remove that 10 and just put arctan on the other side. Arctan 2. So that's our first solution. X equals arctan 2. Let's go with the other one. We can subtract 1 on both sides. We can multiply by negative 1 on both sides. We can express cotangent x as 1 over tangent x. We can multiply 10 on both sides. Tan x equals 1. So x equals arctan 1. And this is our other solution. So that's how you solve this problem. Just what you have to make sure is you have to start off well and you have to set up the zero product rule. Thank you.